In the morning analysis with the Asia session, I told you that you can remain short on gold below 1825 and see it has achieved sub 20 1820 levels. Silver too has dropped below 2120, and if you look at crude oil, see US crude has seen a very good drop. In fact, when I said below that 77.4 is a good support, it has crashed below this and now has achieved 76 levels. So what to expect with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further drop, or is it going to bounce back? Which position you should take for gold and crude oil, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly chart for gold here. Yes, it is trying to reverse. It was trading in this bearish channel. It is trying to break out, and this may bring little bullishness. However, 1830 1835 levels, yes, this is going to be a good resistance. You can see this. I told you in the morning also. See, previously it traded in the range between 1845 1825 and with the pivot at 1835 levels. So these levels are certainly going to be a good resistance level, and hence these levels at 1835 1838 is going to be a very good resistance level. Only bullish confirmation is if you see gold trading above 1840. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic reversing, trying to rise. The MACD is also willing to converge, crossover for a buy entry here, and the RSI is looking upward, showing little bullishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts also, it is trying to give you a breakout. This is trying to reverse. Possibly we may see little bullishness till the time it trades above 1820 levels. Possibly we may see little bullishness. We can expect it to rise for 1830 1835 levels, and possibly a drop towards the end, because see, still we have lot much of time, and it is trying to create a channel of its own. And you can see it is trading in this channel here where the highs are at 1840. So only above 1840 little more bullishness can be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. It may try to converge. The stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish. It is looking forward to converge, crossover. The RSI is rising too, indicating we may see a little rise possibly. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, couple of observations here. See the previous two candles, higher lows, higher highs. Now this, if it breaks past 1830, you can expect that the next resistance is here at 1834-35 level. This is the first target, and beyond that further bullishness might take it on the upside. And how far it can stretch? Yes, we can see it getting the resistance precisely in between 1835-1840 zone. Do not consider this as bullish till now. Yes, 1840 is the ultimate resistance. At the same time, if you see it trading below 1820 levels, yes, you can sell there and expect a very good drop there. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD is also on the sell side, trying to cross over for the buy entries. RSI looking upward, showing little strength. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Wait for the next candle here. See, this is the reversal indication. However, wait for, this is the first candle, wait for the second candle. In fact, this candle may try to take it a little high till 1835 levels. Possibility exists, but at the same time, yes, you can sell here at 1824. Below that, possibility exists that we may see it hitting 1815 levels, and below that further lows can be seen there. Be cautious till 1824 levels. Yes, you can sell at 1824 and buy at 1830. That is what we can conclude here right now. But let's have a further detailed look. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is at bottom, trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. In the morning I told you that this candle size can be precisely the similar candles what we had seen the day before. It precisely tried to achieve that, now trying to retrace. Now see, 1835, this candle has started flat, and even if it tries to reverse, what it may try to attempt and achieve is a parallel here, which means 1840 1835 levels, but that is only possible if it traced and stays above 1835. Till 1835, do not consider this as bullish. Only above 1835 little more bullishness can be seen. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 1830 levels, but remember, you have to be very cautious and alert, because the bullishness is only above 1835. And if it tries to trade above 1835, the range which is 1835 to 1840, this you have to be extremely cautious of, because only if it trades above 1840 we can say that it is trying to reverse, and then little more bullishness might take it for 1845 plus levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 1824, you can sell again and expect a drop for 1820, rather I will say 1818, 1815 and 1812 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Do not miss this opportunity. Reserve your seats now itself. Only limited seats are available. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, strategies which can help you trade anything and everything, including commodities, indices, currencies, crypto, anything. So reach out to me for more details on same. Now look at crude oil on the hourly chart. See, there is a breakout. What we had seen 78 levels, I told you below 78 we may see 76 is a very good support. 77.4 was the first support. Below 77.4 it was 76, and what it has achieved precisely 76 levels. Now trying to retrace back a bit, but if you look at the hourly charts here, see, this is kind of skewed on the downside. So only breakout, only reversal confirmation. First it's 78 and then 78.5. Only above 78.5, little more bullishness can be expected. Yes, it's too far, but let's have a look. See, one bullish candle is smaller, one bearish candle, smaller bearish candle here, and it is trying to reverse here. So possibly once it trades above this zone at 77.4 again, you can expect that we may see little more bullishness, which might take it for 78, 78.5. See, on the early charts, directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish. It has achieved the bottom here. Now see, it is trading at minus 60 levels. You can see multiple times on the early charts, whenever it has achieved such levels, it tried to reverse. But let's be observant. RSI is also oversold. Hence, a little rise cannot be denied. If you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see sharper increasing bearish candles, and this time it is trying to rise. 77.4 levels you should watch out for, only above which we can expect that it is trying to rise. Directional movement extremely divergent, extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI also oversold here. If you look at 3-hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. And yes, 76 indeed is a very good support. Below that 75 and 74 levels can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. So every candle it is oversold on every time frame. Hence a little retracement is possible, and yes, 76 is indeed a very good support. 76, 75.8, and hence you should be watchful of this. It is trying to retrace on the upside. Only above 77.4 you can buy. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. And if you look at the daily chart, now see, on the daily charts, today is a breakout day. This is the first candle. Possibly we may see it extending this drop here. We may see it trying to trade bearish here. Now on the downside, now possibly it may try to look forward to this zone very soon. See, head and shoulders, we talked about this in our morning analysis. Now it is trying to reverse the gain. Now see this, these levels might get achieved, which is 70, and hence you have to remain cautious and watchful here till the time it trades below 78. Now do not consider oil for a bullish move here. Every rise till 78 is an opportunity to sell. Directional movement crossing over for a sell, stochastic dropping vertically, the MACD again trying to cross over for a sell, and the RSI is looking downwards. Now considering this, first you can buy at 77.4, 77.5, but then this is a risky trade till the time oil trades below 78. Do not consider this for a reversal. Do not consider oil for a buy till the time it trades below 78. I am looking forward to a further drop. It might accelerate it further. We can see 74, 72 and 70 levels also. In fact, it can stretch below those if it continues to trade below 78. And hence, Till the time it trades below 78, every opportunity of rise is an opportunity to sell. That is one thing you can keep a note of. But at the same time, now since it has given a breakout, possibly we may see a little drop. You can sell at 76. Rather, I will say those who want to sell at 75.8, that is a little safer side, and then you can expect 75.3, 75, and then 74 levels direct. Right now it is trying to reverse a bit. Right now it is trying to retrace a bit. Once it trades above 76.5, we can expect 76.8, 77, 77.4 as the maximum resistance, and only above which you can expect it to retrace further. But then 78 is the only level above which you can expect that it is trying to reverse. Possibility exists. If you see it trading near to 78, try to find out a good short entry from there. Take the clue, trade accordingly. Now, yes, this is all for today. Let's connect again on the weekly analysis tomorrow. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.